We're approaching a roundabout to take the third exit. We can see the warning sign and we can see the green direction board. This roundabout has 3 exits, left, straight and right. We'll be taking the third exit to the right. It doesn't state where it's heading and the third exit is around 3 o'clock. Since our exit's on the right, it's fair to assume we'll need the right lane as we approach the roundabout unless road markings state otherwise. So we'll check our centre right door mirror signal right. We'd move to the right of our lane and stick to the right lane marker leading up to the roundabout. At roundabouts we give way to any traffic coming from our right. So on approach we'd observe to the right, ahead, to the right, ahead, and we'd continue to observe and alternate with our observations so we don't lose our road positioning. I've just paused the video here so we can have a look at how the lanes are splitting. So this is the left lane marker and this is the right lane marker. We could stick to the right lane marker, making sure we don't cross it, and this would take us or lead us to the outer part of the roundabout. The other option that we have is we can cross over this shaded area into the inner part of the roundabout. On this occasion we'd like to end up in the left lane, so we'd stick to the right lane marker, making sure not to cross over, and check the centre left door mirror as we pass the entrance of the exit before, signal left and leave the roundabout.